must be doing something. Yeah.
Honey?
Yeah.
Honey? We're about ready to go to Tractor Supply. I got to give Melody a little bit more water before we leave. It's kind of hot out here. Come on. Yeah, I'm not going to leave Melody inside the house. Sorry. But you got fresh water. We're going to Tractor Supply to get more chickens because the girls, they're not laying as many eggs. They're old. Yeah, that's what happens when you don't lay eggs. They're older than I thought. We got them from the I got an empty bin to put them in. Come on, guys. Let's go to Tractor Supply. We finally got here. Tractor Supply. Much further drive. But here, Tractor Supply.
Yes,
Look how dressed up she is to go to Tractor Supply.
No.
Everyone say hello to Brooke. She's going to help us get chickens today.
Yep.
But first, look, Alex has, yeah, you got to go to Tractor Supply and you got to get, no sunglasses today? Chicken? I love these things, but for 175 bucks, I don't love them that much. You want to get a chicken like this? You don't
Yeah.
have to clean up their poop.
Hey, but those don't lay eggs.
No, they don't. Let's go get the ones that lay eggs.
They're in the back.
What's that?
Like I had a little sign. And these kind of barista. Because if you don't if you want small, you can get Bantams. But these are full size chicken.
All right, let me take a look at the other ones.
Yeah.
You want to handle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this out in the.
Four of these
Yeah.
and four of the Rhode Island Red.
Absolutely. I can look at it. They're blocks.
They lay green eggs. Green eggs and ham. Sam I am. Yeah, give me good ones, big ones. We're gonna make sure we get a lot of chicken stuff. And what's nice is that Alex has never been around chickens like this before. You know, Alex, the one holding the camera.
Me.
And which ones are the Jersey Giants?
Jersey Giants are all the black ones in there.
All right, let me have two of those also.
Yeah.
How much are they?
And regular.
You got all 10 in that one box?
Hopefully y'all. I'll give you two because you have a while to go. If you want.
If you don't mind.
Yeah, absolutely. Or at $2. And
Classified as recovering. What is recovering?
that just means that they are starting to become an endangered trade bird.
Really? See, now this is the type of store that you want to go to. And I only came here for a couple chickens. I ended up leaving with 10. Are we having fun yet? All the stuff I used to have, But now I'm just going to get a couple more. Make it easy. Feeder so they can eat. Make it easy. What else? What else? Like a small waterer. She's pointing. Look what she's looking at, guys. I had all this stuff. I can't believe I have to like rebuy everything. Which one's it? Oh, it's solar. Look.
It is.
It lights up while it spins. She got the girly one. It's kind of, look at you posing. It's kind of hard to get through the aisles, right? Man, this Tractor Supply is the bomb.
Look at welcome to our club.
I always wanted to get one of these, but they're almost $200. That's a lot. So we got the little one. That one's nice. I'm a child. Guys, did you meet Brooke? She's following me now. Brooke's gonna be like, I seen that. I remember when he was filming that.
Did you say you were a child? Did you say you were a child?
I am a child.
Yeah,
I will never parole.
That's good. Yeah.
We don't have them that bad up in Jersey.
Is that real life?
Yeah, well, she's from Washington. I was born and raised in Jersey. But lived in New York. And don't forget the fine quality dinner. I mean, pets. Oh. She just put them in 2 boxes.
Okay. What's your phone number?
We gotta let these guys be free. Here, come on this side there. See, these are little babies. These are the Rhode Island Reds. Aren't they cute? Look how cute they are. And in a couple weeks, they're going to be huge. But the ones that I'm really looking forward to, these guys. These are Jersey Giants. I can't wait till these things grow. Right? Yeah? Come on. Let's go home. Are you munching on the treats that we got? Yeah, she is. Guys, you got to see this car. Check this out. My nickname when I was a kid used to be Stingray. Look how beautiful this is. That's a classic. I tell you, Virginia, full of surprises. Let's get back at home, guys. Whenever I go to Tractor Supply, I always get meat sticks and my wallabies. I love the black. She loves the red. Yeah, guys, look. Someone got out of the box. You couldn't stay in there. We got work to do. We'll be back soon. Those Jersey Giants are so much bigger.
Look at you.
They'll discover where everything is. And they'll only be in here for a very, very short time.
They won't jump out?
Oh, I'll put a cover on it.
So beautiful.
And just to think, you didn't have any pets.
No.
Now she's got a lot of pets.
Look at this.
You can eat her. Well, I'm proud of you.
Oh my goodness, she's so calm.
I got more work to do, guys. I'll be back. You guys aren't going to believe this. We just bought 10 chickens because we felt that our chickens weren't laying anymore. We were getting like 2 a day. They must have known that we were going to Tractor Supply. Definitely. And look at this. I got pictures of Melody sitting next to the chickens next to the coop. Right, Melody? They're like her best friends. Sitting while she was a teeny puppy. And yeah, when my wife got back from her trip, I bought her a nice welcome home cake. We didn't finish it. We're both on a diet.
Yep.
More her than me.
Really?
No, honey. Everyone knows. They see me online all the time.
We're just kidding.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
I mean, kind of. But yeah.
She calls me Santa Claus. That tells you. Anyway, look at. Right, girls? Yeah, you must have known that Dad went out and bought a bunch of chickens. Sure enough, there's Melody. Anyway, guys, so the baby chicks are right now in the laundry room because the laundry room is kind of like outside the main house and it's pretty warm in there. We bought a chicken starter kit that had like a heat lamp and all that, but it was like 98 degrees today. And in the sun porch and the laundry room, it gets pretty warm. So I'm not putting the heat lamp up. And at nighttime, it doesn't get cold. Yeah, we're good. And there's 10 of them. So the little ones can sit underneath the big ones. Anyway, look at me. What you finding out, Melody? Mommy put the chicken right there for all to see. She's a good looking dog. Look, she just loves to go over there. I think this is pretty cool. Yeah, that's definitely something that Mommy would buy. And it's got a little light inside her belly. It's solar. Cool. There goes Mel. You know, after having a really hard day, getting chickens, hard day. Everything's an hour. Look, Honey, we got a lot of grass in there we got to get rid of. It's our very first garden. Look at Melody. Look at Melody. Look at Melody. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for spending the day with us today. I actually had a lot of fun. And shout out to Brooke over at Tractor Supply. That was in Forest, Virginia. She was actually really, really cool. And she just started following me. So guys, remember what I always say. With God, all things are possible. Love you all. Take care.